ahead and saute onions, garlic. We did a good job on it. Like it's about gone. I really love garlic. And I could cut up some fresh garlic. I could. Okay, now that is cooking down and browning, I'm going to go ahead and add in the... I do like to add a little total or adobo. And then Trader Joe's Italian paste. Move quick because I don't want to burn the garlic. It has a little thing. Open it and it's open. Then you squeeze. Put some tomato paste to get it browned. And this is when I also add a little bit of the bouillon, but I'll add more when it's actually together, just a little bit for right now. And then once the sauce is actually in there, I'm gonna put more. But I want this to brown with the paste. Just like that much. Alright. And then you get that going. Okay, I'm gonna move this ground beef so you can see closer. Add in the ground beef. It's just Trader Joe's beef as well. No, not the paper. Get out of there. Alright. Over the bottom of the pan, it's going to get all souped up with the beef. I'm going to put some pepper.
I think we can make copper golden now. Let me look. So I'm gonna get a normal copper.
Garlic powder.
It's just dye.
Onion powder. A dash of seasoned salt. I do add some Tabitha all-purpose.
And then you also get the chest.
I don't know if the kids know that, but I add this. And they said it doesn't. They're not going to have this anymore. So sad. So sad. So free vegetable. Add in the sauce. Today we have a can of Hunt's in the pantry. Then we got a can or some of this in the fridge. If I need to use more, I'll either use the big jar of this or the small jar of it. Okay, so we're going to add the sauce. I had to do a voiceover because the kids just... I don't think you would be able to hear anything. So we went ahead and added a jar of sauce and just get a little bit of water to get the rest of the sauce out the jar. Shake it up and pour it in. And then we're going to go ahead and stir. Make sure the beef is incorporated with the sauce. You already know how to stir spaghetti sauce. No tutorial needed for that. Alright, and once the sauce is stirred, go ahead and add in your seasoning. I have this vegetable-free seasoning, the garlic powder, and we also have onion powder. Put some of that in. And then there's pepper as well. And if you don't have the vegetable seasoning, Mrs. Dash works just fine. Anything salt-free, really. And then, of course, I then add in the salt. And then I'll go in with some bouillon. I really like adding bouillon. This time I did beef and onion, 2 different ones. So this one is the onion one I have here. So I just mix them both. You see the onion's a little bit darker than the beef. But go ahead and put that in as well. It'll all simmer together. And add in as much as you like if you do want to add that in. So once that's all good and mixed, I'm going to also add in the Worcestershire sauce. That's probably roughly maybe 2 teaspoons, or I don't know, it could have been a whole tablespoon. I do add sugar. My family likes the sugar in it. I do too. Cuts, like people all say, it does help. It does cut the acidity, so it's not as tart. And then I'll go ahead and add in my basil. I have fresh Italian and regular basil. Go ahead and add that in after I chopped it up. It's in a bag because I have it from the garden that we have outside, a little garden. And then we stir that in. If you want to see my garden, go on my Lemonade account. And then it's all done. So here's the plate, spaghetti sauce. This is for my daughter, and she wants Parmesan cheese on hers. And then there's a breadstick we just stuck in the oven, and voila,